Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant no internet found, or we weren't able to connect to the internet to get an update, and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first step is you just have to search here in the search bar. You have to search CMD. Now click on run as administrator and go for yes. Now first you have to give a command which is flush DNS space slash n. Sorry, there is one mistake. First what you have to give IP config. Okay, I got this mistake. IP config space slash flush DNS and press enter. Okay, now which is successfully flush and the DNS resolver cache. Now you have to give another command which is netsh space winsock reset. Press enter. Now it is also completely done. Now you have to go for exit. Okay, so do not worry, I'll be giving the commands in the description. So press enter. So it is done. Okay, now after done this, if it's not still working, then you just have to go for the next one. It is not done. You just have to search here control panel. You just have to search control panel and open this. Now from here you just have to click on network and internet sharing, right? Network and internet sharing, you just have to select this. Now from here you have to click on change adapter settings. You just have to click on change adapter settings. As you can see, the Ethernet, so you just have to select this. Go to properties, and from here you just have to click on this one, internet and protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. You just have to click on properties and change this to this and rechange to this, so you can give the respective value, right? So the values are the values are 1 1 1 and 1 for the DNS server, and the alternate DNS server is 1 0 0 and it is 1. Now go for OK, and then most probably this will be fixed. And after trying this, if it's not working, then you don't have to worry. We have a step 2, which is all about after trying this out. You just have to not the step 2. What you have to do is, even in some cases it won't work, so you just have to do a restart after trying this, because we have changed the DNS and alternate DNS, right? So just do a restart, and most probably when you try to look onto the game, the issue will be completely fixed. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment section so that we will get back to you by replying back to your comments. And if you have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section so that we will help you out. If so guys, that's all about it. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.